Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another subscription service to show you guys, and this one is called Bubbles and Books. And yes, it's pretty self-explanatory. So this is like a reading and relaxation box. What's inside of this box are soaps, bath bombs, bubble bars, candles, and there's always a romance or a mystery novel. So it's basically a box that's like for yourself, you know, like get into the bath, relax, read your book, use your little bath bombs, soaps, or whatever it is, light up your candle, and have a nice relaxed time. I definitely love reading, and I thought this was a really interesting concept. So I ordered the box. It's $29.99 plus shipping every month. And I don't really remember if they let you pick the book or it's just like the category of the book. I'm not exactly 100% sure on that. So that the $29.99 is for the standard box, and that's you get their new release paperback. You get 3 to 5 luxury bath and body items, and then of course you get 5 ebook downloads. And then their premium box is $46 a month, and you get 2 new release paperbacks and 5 to 7 luxury bath and body items. There's one that's a digital box, which means that you're not going to get an actual book in it. You're going to get like the downloads, and then you're going to get 3 to 5 bath products, and that's $25 a month. To me, the $29.99, the standard one, is the best one. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like in there. Apparently they have a club that is called Star Soakers Club. It says Star Soakers Club celebrates taking back me time and indulging in a good soak. Whatever you do a kick-ass job at it, and you deserve all the warmth, bubbles, and escapism Bubbles and Books provides. But that doesn't make it easier to set aside some time regularly to look after yourself. So we want to help add an extra incentive. Every milestone you hit will send you an extra special something. Use the sticker from each box to track your progress. Snap a picture of your card at each reward level and email to soak@bubblesandbooks.com or post in the Facebook group. Oh, that's nice. It gives you like a little incentive to make sure you have like your little me time. I'm trying to see, I don't know if I haven't found the sticker. Oh, here's the sticker. So this should be the sticker for this month, and you're just gonna put it on month 1, and then probably on month 3, they give you a little something, like a little extra. That's nice, I like that. All right, so I don't see anything here that tells us what we're getting, but I'm definitely liking the stuff that I see in here. Okay, so first thing in here, this is from Wicked Suds, and this is obviously a bath bomb or a soap. This is definitely a bath bomb. This says it's scented in patchouli, roses, and lavender. Look how cute that is. I'm loving this. This is like getting a Lush box. You guys remember Lush? Look how adorable this is. This is the Spooked Bubble Bar by Bare Naked Bath. Look how cute. For like these times. I don't really like jack-o'-lanterns. I'm not into them. I like, what do you call it? I like just regular pumpkins. But since we're in October and this is like the season, I think they themed it around there, which yeah, they did, because this one says Ouija, like the Ouija board stuff on it. And it has like the thing, you know, like this is supposed to be like what you move around the board. So they themed it around Halloween. And then this one is Emmy Moe's Bath and Body Burn. And this is a bath bomb. It's the Bubbly Cauldron Bath Bomb. I gotta take this one out because you guys gotta see. I'm not into Halloween, but guys, like, you have to acknowledge the creativity. Like, it's, look at this. This is a bath bomb. Like, literally. Look at this. Look at that. Like, the detail. That is amazing. Look at that. Very, very nicely done. Oh my God, it smells so good. And obviously I'm gonna use them, so could care less what the theme is. Oh, this is cute. So these are some bath salts, and they're like in the shape of a candy corn. The shape and in the order of colors. So this is from Emmy Mo's Bath, Body, and Burn Candy Corn Bath Salts. The ingredients are coconut oil, Epsom salt, fragrance oil, and makeup powder. You just add this to your bath, your hot bath, and you're good to go. And last but not least, you have your book that you will read. So did I pick like mystery? I probably picked mystery. Yeah. I probably picked mystery because this is actually going to be like, it's coming to Netflix. Oh, I love all this stuff, guys. I definitely love mystery stuff. Fun fact about me, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm into like those crime things and like serial killers and like all that type of stuff because I studied psychology. So I'm very into like what's in those minds. So I always find it interesting to like read and like watch about those people. So this is a New York Times bestseller, and the author is Karen Slaughter, and it says Pieces of Her, and it says mother, hero, liar, killer. How can you tell when all you have is pieces of her? Oh my God, that sounds so scary. So I'm going to read you guys the back. Okay, so it says, what if the person you thought you knew best turns out to be someone you never knew at all? Andrea knows everything about her mother, Laura. She knows Laura has spent nearly her whole life in the small beachside town of Belle Isle, Georgia. She knows Laura's never wanted anything more than to lead a quiet, normal life. She knows Laura's a kind, beloved speech pathologist. She knows Laura's never kept a secret. But Andrea's life is upended when a visit to the mall is shattered by an act of horrifying violence that reveals a completely different side of Laura. A cool woman who calmly faces down a murderer. It turns out that before Andrea's mother was Laura, she was someone completely different. For nearly 30 years, she's been hiding from the woman she once was, lying low in the hope that no one would ever find her. But now she's been exposed and nothing will ever be the same again. To save her mother, Andrea embarks on a desperate journey, following the breadcrumb trail of her mother's past. Andrea knows that if she can't uncover the secrets hidden there, there may be no future for her mother or her. That sounds super interesting, guys. Oh my God, this is gonna be a really interesting book. So yeah, guys, and they say that it's coming to Netflix. So I imagine that this is like a really good read. It's a New York bestseller, New York Times bestseller. So yeah, guys, I really like this subscription. I think it's awesome. Like, and I imagine that every month, like they theme it differently. November might be something like more along the lines of like Thanksgiving or maybe fall or something like that. And I don't know if December will be more along the lines of a holiday or something like that. But I definitely love the subscription. I'm going to stay subscribed because I really find it interesting. I love the concept of like the whole me time relaxation. I'm loving these subscriptions that are like that. It's nice that you have a subscription that like caters kind of like to self-care, and books is definitely something that should be part of that. So books and bubbles, I think would have sounded better than bubbles and books. But whatever. Okay, so back, I digress. So yeah, guys, like super cute little things. Like I know some people like me, I'm not a big fan of Halloween, but you definitely have to like, this is like very creative. I'm loving this. So you get a bubble bar, you get a bath bomb or 2 bath bombs, you get bath salts and everything with like a little theme, which I love things that go on themes. I love how they have this little thing for you guys that you have like a little club where you collect your stickers and stuff like that, and then you can expect like a little incentive. Like that's really nice. And then I love this whole concept. I have a feeling my friend is really gonna like this too because she loves reading and I'm pretty sure she loves me time. So I'm pretty sure she'll love it. I really don't care about the theme, guys. My whole point is that I'm gonna use a good smelling bath bomb, which smells so amazing, and soap and bubble bar and bath salts, and I'm gonna read myself a good book. I'm loving this. So Very good concept, very good subscription service. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description box. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, my loves.